Good morning. Thank you all for checking in. It's March 15th and you are working asynchronously today. Thank you for accommodating that. I appreciate it. We are going to focus in on section 3 of our learning plan. And most specifically, we are going to look at the career cluster skills assessment. So remember that anything that is shaded a different color and underlined is a live link. So if we click on this, that will bring you the skills assessment. You'll see that there are a number of selections. So the first question is check the activities that describe what you like to do. So you just simply go in and you click what you like to do, and then you hit next, and it moves on to the next question. After you complete that, it will give you your top career clusters that are most suited to what you have selected. So the responses that you give are really important. So you want to be very thoughtful and providing those responses so that it gives you an accurate result on your survey. Once you get the results from your survey, I want you to go to this document, which is located on Google Classroom, and this is going to be where you tally your results. So you're going to see how many matches that you received with regard to that cluster. So you're looking at your top 3 that it gives you. What is the career cluster itself? And then I would like a description in your own words. So you will see that you're able to click right into these boxes and type directly into them to give your responses. Please make sure that you are not copy and pasting, that you are reading the descriptions and then putting it into your own words. When you get the survey results, you can click on the career cluster and it will give you more information. The next step is to look at the career cluster chart, which is actually on the next page, and I'll scan that. There you go. So this is a listing of all 16 career clusters that I'd like you to take a look at. Then we go back to the worksheet part, which is right here on the previous page, and I'd like you to look at those 16 career clusters and identify 3 that appeal to you most. What are your top 3? You did your survey and that came out with 3. Now I want you to look at them on your own and identify 3 that really appeal to you, that interest you. I then want you to jot those down in these text boxes. You just double click and you're able to type right in them. And then question number 7, do any of these match your top 3 from the survey? So that's a yes or no. And then finally, I want you to be a little bit more thoughtful and reflect a little bit. And what are you hoping to get out of this project? What are you hoping to learn as you explore different career clusters? Remember that clusters are different than pathways and different than individual occupations. So out of the clusters, what are this project, what are you hoping to get out of it? What are you hoping to learn more about? Once you have finished that, you can go back to the learning plan and watch the Canva tutorial or read through the article on how to make an eye-catching and effective poster. Those 2 things are going to lead us into our project tomorrow. When we meet this week, so for C and D, we'll meet on Tuesday, E and G will meet on Wednesday. We will be going through the project pretty explicitly, allowing you to ask any questions you may have, and then I'll let you get started. So I want you to be thinking about the career cluster you want to dive more into, and then we will move forward later this week. If you have any questions, just hold them until class tomorrow, and we will go through them, no problem. But have a great day. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.